chances are you have this material in your home right now. Maybe it's a cutting board, maybe it's a piece of furniture. But what if I told you it has an absolutely epic hidden story? Today, we're journeying from the sands of ancient Egypt to the world of modern music to uncover the untold story of Acacia. Seriously, just take a look around your home. That wooden cutting board in your kitchen, maybe that sturdy chair in the corner. What if it holds secrets that stretch back thousands of years? Secrets of power, of resilience, and even sacred history. And that's because the story of this material goes so much further than just being useful. Acacia is way, way more than just wood. It's like a thread woven through the entire fabric of human history. For most of us, when we hear the word acacia, we think practical. Durable, good-looking furniture or kitchen stuff. It's a solid, reliable choice for sure, but maybe not the most exciting one, right? But that's where the real story begins. That simple perception misses a whole world of history, of incredible strength, and a versatility that is truly surprising. We're about to completely change how you see it. To really get what acacia is all about, we have to travel back in time. Long before it was in our kitchens and living rooms, it was playing a major role in the rise of empires and the creation of sacred artifacts. Its legacy is, well, it's truly ancient. The sheer scale of its history is just staggering. The ancient Egyptians chose it for furniture and even coffins because they knew it had this incredible resistance to decay. Then, it pops up with this sacred status in biblical texts. And today, it's a global staple valued for those very same timeless qualities. Just let that sink in for a minute. The Ark of the Covenant, one of the most sacred and legendary objects in all of history, was believed to be built from acacia. You don't just choose any old wood for a job like that. It tells you this wood was seen as more than just strong. It was significant, something worthy of the divine. So what gave it this legendary status? Well, it wasn't magic, but it was something just as powerful. Its unique biology. Let's dig into the science behind its incredible strength. It all comes down to this powerful combination of three key things. First, its density is off the charts, making it a heavyweight champion against dings and scratches. Second, it's packed with natural oils that act like a built-in shield, fighting off moisture, bugs, and decay from the inside out. And finally, that structure means it just refuses to warp or crack, holding its shape no matter the stress. To put that into perspective, just look at how it stacks up against oak. We all know oak is tough, right? But acacia's 1-2 punch of high density and those natural oils gives it a serious advantage. It can weather the elements beautifully, often without needing all the chemical treatments that other woods require. And that density is no joke. At the higher end, a single cubic foot of acacia can weigh up to 65 pounds. For comparison, that's denser than red oak and even starts to approach the weight of some types of concrete. That sheer mass is the secret to its legendary durability. With that kind of natural toughness, it's really no surprise that craftspeople have taken acacia far beyond the living room, using it in places you would absolutely never expect. How about boat building? That's right. Its natural resistance to water and decay makes it a perfect material for crafting vessels that have to endure the harsh marine environment, day in and day out. And that same natural resilience against water makes it a fantastic choice for outdoor decking. It can handle everything the weather throws at it, rain, sun, snow, all while maintaining its strength and its beauty. And here's one that might really blow your mind. Musical instruments. Artisans use acacia, especially a type known as koa, to make guitars and ukuleles. And why? Because its unique density and grain structure produce these beautiful, rich tonal qualities that musicians absolutely love. So, we know it's historical, we know it's tough, and it's incredibly versatile. But maybe its most important quality today is one the ancients never even considered, its role in a sustainable future. This is where acacia's story becomes so relevant for us today. It isn't just a strong resource, it's a smart one. These trees grow remarkably fast, which makes them highly renewable. And even better, harvesting them the right way can actually encourage new growth, creating a truly sustainable cycle. This makes it an outstanding choice for anyone looking to source materials responsibly. And that really brings us full circle. From its ancient roots to its scientific makeup and its sustainable future, every single piece of acacia tells a story. It's a connection to nature, a link to our own history, and a real testament to the art of craftsmanship. So the next time you see that cutting board or that simple chair, you'll know the epic story it holds. And it leaves you with a question. What other objects in your daily life have an incredible, untold story just waiting to be discovered?